ng pagtanggap niyo. Maraming salamat po mga kapamilya for having us right here.
Yes.
Mega, palakpakan niyo po ng mga sarili. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. TFC, thank you very much.
Yes, Rob.
Yes.
We have a surprise not just for our friends in North America, but also in Canada.
That's true. In celebration of Canada's 150th anniversary, the biggest gathering of stars will be bringing you nothing less than world-class entertainment with ASAP in Toronto.
Whoa!
Have you guys seen ASAP live? We did in Frisco
LA.
a couple of years back.
LA.
No, San Francisco, LA.
San
Matagal
Francisco?
din sa Frisco.
Matagal na yun sa LA.
Yeah. But this time around, since we're celebrating the 150 years of Canada, we've decided to bring the whole of ASAP to Toronto, Ontario, Canada. And it's happening on July 29, Saturday at the Ricoh Coliseum. And we shall see you in ASAP in Toronto.
Yeah. We'd like to thank, of course, Star Magic for making this event possible. TFC, Mr. Ricky Resurrection, Head of Global Events, and Mr. Jude Resurrection.
Yes,
Resurrection, sorry.
Resurrection.
Yung lamig, mapasok na dito sa ano eh.
Ganun ba?
And of course,
Mr. Drew Del Rosario, Country Manager of TFC Canada, ABS-CBN, Great America.
And of
Thank
course,
very
you
much.
guys for making us really feel at home. 25 years done.
Yes, maraming salamat for being with us for the last 25 years, and we hope not just you but the next generation will join us again. Of course, aming pa mga succeeding shows, not just here but all around the world. Thank you to all the THC subscribers.
Thank you.
And on that note, Robbie.
Guys, the reason why nandito ang Star Magic, dahil po sa inyo yun, kayo ang magic ng buhay namin.
Iyan eh! Iyan eh!
come on guys!
Thank you. Say hi.
I thought I could never have the one that makes me feel complete. Till the day you came by, I felt so alone and empty. I've never believed in magic until the day I met you.
Thank you.
Thank you guys!
Love you! TFC, maraming salamat, TFC!
Thank you, Liz Scott! Love you!
Selfie daw.
Salamat! June! Tawag!
Bye-bye!
Salamat! Thank you very much! MJ Felipe! Asa na yung mga